Hi, my name is Allison. I'm the pharmacist at True Compounding Pharmacy. The Topi-Click is a user-friendly, mess-free device that ensures that with each click of the device, it is providing an accurate and consistent dose of your medication.
Before and after applying your medication, wash your hands with soap and water. Lift the cap off of the Topi-Click device by placing your thumb under the tab on the outer cap. Ensure that the indicator lines on the base and the tube are aligned. Then, twist the base to the number of clicks specified on your prescription label. Use the dome top of the device to rub the cream directly onto clean, dry skin. Common application areas include inner thighs, inner arms, and abdomen. Application sites should be rotated unless otherwise instructed. The application area should be about the size of your palm. Rub into your skin using the dome top of the device for 3 minutes until completely absorbed. Wipe off any residual medicine remaining on the dome to ensure you are getting a consistent dose and to prevent any product from getting stuck on the cap. Once the bottom of the plunger reaches the line below refill, there are about 32 clicks remaining. Once it reaches the line on top of the word refill, there are about 12 clicks remaining.
It is important to remember that your medicated cream can transfer to others, including children and even your pets. So be sure that whenever you're choosing a site to apply at, that it can easily be covered. Please ensure that you're also washing your hands after application of your cream. Do not apply other topical products to the same site that you've already applied your cream, as it can affect the absorption. Be sure to store this at room temperature, keep it out of sunlight, keep it out of the heat, don't leave it in your car, as it can affect the stability of the product itself. This is a prescription medication, so please be sure not to share this with others, and as always, keep it out of the reach of children and out of the reach of your pets. If you have any questions about your medication, please contact us at True Compounding. We're available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.